channel. My name is Ashlyn if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review video. So people always ask me, since I had a double lung transplant, yes, I said a double lung transplant, pretty crazy. The lungs in me are not mine, but people always ask me, like, what is the key to maintaining your health? And a key component is fitness and exercising. So Wellfit was kind enough to send me a walking pad treadmill. So hopefully this makes me exercise every day. I am not a fan of the big and bulky exercise equipment that you see in people's houses because it's quite frankly not that pretty and not like up to my aesthetic. So this is perfect because I can hide it, I can put it under the couch or the bed. So with that being said, let me show you guys my review of this and let's just dive right into it. So the first thing that I noticed when opening my new walking pad is just how compact it actually is. The motor is hidden at the bottom of the head, making the entire treadmill area flatter and more open. And everything that I need is inside this box. So the accessories that it comes with is the remote, power cable, foot pad, tools, and of course the user manual. If you want more of a challenge, you can also manually adjust the incline. All you have to do is insert these on the bottom of the walking pad, and this adjusts the incline to 3 to 5%. Adding the incline, as you can see, is super easy and definitely gives you a little bit more of a burn if you want it. Since it's our first time using this walking pad, it suggests that we lubricate it first, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to open up this lubrication and just add it to where it says on the instructions. And then we are going to pair the remote, so all we're gonna have to do is turn on the walking pad and hold down the button on the remote to pair it, and then we should be ready to go. I don't think I've actually made a video on YouTube about this, but I actually fractured my back, so I am slowly getting back into just walking correctly and exercising. So this is perfect because this is a controlled environment and I can gradually maintain my exercising in the comfort of my own home. I can watch TV while I do this, and I don't have to be burning up outside or freezing during the winter. I can do this all in the comfort of my own home. So I absolutely love this, and yes, I'm a little bit off balance because I am still recovering from my back injury. So yeah, we're gonna take it easy, but this is a great way to start. This treadmill can go to 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, but I am more of just a walking girly, so I think the fastest I'm gonna be able to go right now is up to 2 miles per hour. This walking pad is also super quiet, and I'm actually going to mute so you can hear how quiet it is. If you're wanting to make your home workout a little bit more interesting, you can also download the Wellfit app. This helps you customize your running plan and record your running data, and it is super fun and works well with the walking pad. But now that we're done with this, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to store this thing. So first, it has wheels and it's not very heavy, so I, little bitty Ashlyn, can do it all by myself. So I can just hide it under my couch and nobody is ever gonna know. No one's ever gonna know. So when guests come over, I don't have that bulky exercise equipment being an eyesore, and you won't even know it's there. Ta-da! So I told you guys you could hide this so easily. So if you're looking for a walking pad treadmill that you can hide and slide in your house, apartment, or office, then you should definitely check out Wellfit. All the links will be located in the description box down below. And yeah, I'm so excited because I really do think this will make me exercise more. So that is the hope. And to give me some encouragement, then thumbs up this video. Say, go Ashlyn, walk it out, go, go, go. So So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're staying healthy, and I'll see you guys soon. I love you guys so much.